Namaste friends, welcome to pavitechzone. In this video, we are going to learn how to implement exit handler alert dialog in the Android app. So whenever you are developing an app, you have been noticed that whenever user press a back button on any of the activity, he just exit out of the app directly without any warnings or messages. So as in professional apps, you will get to see exit messages by saying, are you sure you want to exit with the yes or no button. So today we will be seeing how to implement the exit handler alert dialog in the Android app. So let's get started. Open your Android Studio. So I have already created a project of exit. So in the main activity.java, we will override the backpressed function. So here we will call the backpressed function onBackPressed. So we will override the onBackPressed function. We will remove this function. So we will call alert dialog, new alert dialog, and we will set message as are you sure you want to exit with a question mark. So this message will be displayed on the alert box when we click on back button, and we will set cancelable as false because we want to display two buttons as yes or no. So we have to set cancelable as false, and we will set one positive button by saying yes, new dialog interface on click listener, and when we click on S button, so it should get exited from the app. So finish, and we will set one negative button by saying no, and when we click on button no, it should not perform any of the activity, so we will keep it as null and dot show. Now we have written the code for onBackPressed function. So now we will check the code whether we have written it correctly or not. So I have connected my device to the Android Studio. Now I will execute the app and see whether it is running properly or not. I will click on run button. So Gradle started building. Oh, there is the error in the we have missed the semicolon for the show. Give the semicolon and click on run button again. So Gradle started building, launching on device, and it has successfully launched in the device. So as you can see here, hello world text is being displayed. Now when I click on back button, it should display a alert box. So when I press on back button, so as you can see, it is displaying the alert box message with saying, are you sure you want to exit, and with two buttons, yes or no. And one more thing, whenever we click outside the alert box, it should not perform any of the activity. So whenever we click outside the alert box, it is not performing any activity. And if we click on no button, it should be keep remained in the same app. So when I click on no, it is in the same app, and if we click on S button, it should get exit from the app. So when I click on S, it has got exited from the app. As you can see, it has got exited from the exit handler project. So when I click on S, it is being exited from the app, and when I click on no, it is remaining in the same app. So this is how you can implement the exit handler alert dialog to your Android app. So this was all about today's video. If you are happy with my video, please give a like to our video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.